Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Skill Evolution, and today we are going to discuss about which tools are best for removing backgrounds. So let's get started. So here I downloaded an image from Pixel. So we are going to use that tools to remove background of this image. I have selected this image because we have to refine all these hairs. So we will discuss about that also. Then let's get started. So here we have a first selection tool is polygonal lasso. So here you only have to do is give the small points around the subject. If you accidentally go outside of the selection, you can do the thing is you can hit backspace, get undo the selections. We can't do the control Z option for undo. We have the only one option, the backspace. We have the rule in selection process. We have to always select some pixels inside from the image or subject, so we can precisely cut out the background. Here the hair comes, so what we can do, we can refine it later. So for now I am taking an rough selection of that hair wall part. In this part you have to, like this curve areas, you have to put small points so you can get that curve. So we have this selection. I have decided that to refine these edges. So let's get refined. And for that, you have to go to selection, any selection tool, and here you have to select and mask. After that, you have to select refine edge brush tool, and process you only have to do is paint over the hairs at the edges. You can get the nice refined hair selection. You can see how it's automatically selecting the unwanted areas. And the second one is this feather part. After that, you have to select here in output settings the decontaminate color option, and you can keep an amount 100 as per your liking, and output to new layer with layer mask. So here you can see how the hairs are selected with the help of refinement tools, and how the background is removed with the help of polygon lasso tool. So here is the second option for that is a magnetic lasso tool. In polygonal lasso tool, we have to create our own points, but in this magnetic lasso tool, you will get the automatic points created by the tool. You only have to the mouse pointer around the subject, so it will select an subject with the help of magnetic lasso tool. And sometimes you have to create your own point for the preciseness. The magnetic lasso tool is good when you have a sharp object or a sharp subject to cut out, or otherwise it will not give an wow output to you like this. Again, we have to refine the heads. go to select and mask option. The same process you have to do again and again in every tool for refine the hairs. So decontaminate color, new layer with layer mask and hit OK. Done. Here is the second output. So here is the last option, and my favorite option for removing the background is the pen tool. So in this we have to select the pen tool, and here we have to select path, and so zoom it, and we have to only create a points. In this, to create a curve, you have to create a point, and holding that point you can drag this, drag like this. Whichever side do you drag, the opposite side of that direction, it will form a curve. So like this only you have to select precisely. We can get deeper with this tool. Here again the hair part I will select roughly because we have the refinement tool option in fill and mask. So in this again you can create a curve, nice curve like this. It's an a time consuming, but the output of this pen tool option is so excellent. And here we have to now connect this point, and after connecting this you can hit control enter to create a selection, or while remaining in pen tool option and right click on the path and select here max selection. I would like to give off 3 pixels or something and hit OK. Yes. After that again go to any selection tool and select the layer, and here select and mask. For what? For selecting a hair. So here again I am selecting the hair as I selected before. Sorry, I have a habit of singing in between my work. So if I sing in between, let it be. I also do beatbox. If you guys like to hear my beatbox skills, then comment down below. I will start on this channel in between of these videos, because our channel name is Skill Evolution. It will contain all types of skills. So in output settings, I am selecting decontaminate colors, and here output to new layer with layer mask. And here are some options we will discuss in some other video. So for now hit OK. It will give a nice and crisp output to us. You can see how the hairs are selected, how the nicely the selection is done. And let's see the output comparison. Here is the first our polygonal lasso tool, which gives some amount of pixelated edges. So I will not suggest you that you should use this polygonal lasso tool. And after that we have magnetic lasso tool. It's somewhere it's nice, but somewhere it's ruined. So I also suggest that please don't use this tool also for removing background. And here is the last, my favorite one, the pen tool, because this type of selection it gives it's
awesome.
but in my opinion, the pen tool is the best tool for removing a background. So you all guys are thinking like that the other selection tools are not used or not shown. In my case, I don't like that tools for removing background. So I hope you all like this video, and please comment down below which tool till now do you use while removing the background. So signing off, Shresh Moide. Thank you.